So, hi guys. I'm getting killed by a skeleton right now. That creeper killed my entire army and me and my bed, and now so this gone. I don't even know where I am. It's like the starting of the world. What direction I went, I decay. I don't know. No. Just look into the If I turn my red direction, can I see my big old tree? And why is it hard? No wonder it blew me up completely. Put that thing. Come on. Sorry. Yeah. 110 cents from 20 frame rate. That way. It might look like I'm lagging, but I just that I set my frame rate to 20 and my run to distance to maximum. It's 96 chunks. I don't know if it works. Wait, isn't that my tree? So if it's close to it, that's my tree! Everything might have despawned, but still. Oh my god. Can I find my stuff? Not my stuff, but everything else. Distance. My frame rate, if we can. 20. Oh my gosh. Is this where I saw it? Yeah. This is the place. I found a place. I found my home. Oh my gosh. I maxed out my run distance and see my tree. That's my tree.
Oh, it's so sad that you lost your parrots.
All of them. Every single pingy. Yeah, I can get a new dog.
You can have your...
At least my house.
That's a red dog.
Everything is still here. One of my parrots are here. Everything is still here.
Huh? I thought they despawned it. Yeah, we thought, right?
I think I quitted it so fast nothing respawned.
I thought Bedrock Edition, if you even pass, the thing will still happen. I thought like that.
Oh my gosh. Only you are alive, man.
That's okay. We can get another parrot. They're living in a jungle. We can get another.
A B.
Beanie. A Benny.
You guys now comment some more names. I'll just...
And tell which animal pet should we have.
Yeah, I'll get some more pets and you guys tell what pet and...
Try getting a dog. Yeah. What about a cat?
I can do that.
But the cat will run
At least
away.
everything is still here.
Cat might run away.
I thought I lost everything.
I'm like so scared for you. But I think you finish your house today. Make the bed inside the house because you lost your bed. Put your bed inside the tree house.
I'm gonna put the bed under here.
Yeah, that's that. Put under.
Okay, that's good. For now, that's good. All my parrots are just right here. Why?
You should not have done that. You should not have, you could have run another spot.
Yeah, but I didn't know that.
5 parrots died.
Only 2 parrots remain.
They cover the top. If you do like inside will be more time, like not like that.
No, but inside mobs can spawn.
They can? Yeah. No! I thought not like that, and I put it all like that. Creeper always blow in my house, and I
don't mind.
have them both in your shoulders.
Yeah, but if I get blown up, then all of them will.
Yeah. I think put them in their house. Chill boy. Wait, what we call this blue one? Chinny.
You like name it. I want. Where's all my diorite?
I think it went.
Oh, I already placed it.
The house is cool. It's like better than mine.
I don't have yet.
Bro, it's so cool. Do you know why? Because mine does not have stairs like that. Should I also add like mine?
If you want.
It's so cool.
This floor is gonna be different.
Should I pay?
This floor is gonna be expensive.
So cool. But why are you putting that logs? Now, are you going to strip them?
Yeah.
I thought it would be like plain. It's like that brand thingy.
Oh, it doesn't look like it.
Yeah. I think strip every those staircase bottom.
No, the parrots.
Let the parrot sit there.
Let the parrot fly.
Gold helmet.
I'm gonna keep everything here inside.
My axe is broken. My pickaxe is also broken. My sword is broken. All my iron tools.
I'm using all stone.
Yeah, me too. I had to. If I had three.
My iron armor is going to break.
If I had 3 pieces of emerald, I could have traded with the blacksmith for repaired iron.
You're so lucky.
But I'm not, because I died to a creeper and I died.
I died everything.
Do you know how I died? When I was making my basement, I was playing, okay? Then I fall, I had 1 half up. I ate bread, then I accidentally jumped. Then I was like, Then a respawn was back there, so I had run, then my emeralds went. And even my experience. You know, I had 10 experience, not 5.
Okay, I thought my shield was gone.
And I lost my shield. You're lucky.
Oh, really? I lost everything. Oh my god, my tree grew in. No, is that a tree or
Is there a jungle?
giant bunkus?
What if you put every tigers inside there?
That's gonna be my artifact.
Wait, that might be you can turn that into headquarters.
Yeah, also I'm gonna put my parrots up there.
Put a giant S there. So you can do like star.
Let me pull that.
There are enough ladders. First finish your house and build their house.
I already did.
Why did you put like the one gap of non-ladders?
For me to stand.
Not putting trapdoors. Just go from now. See, and the little cat will show you in the side if you sprint. No. Yeah.
And just about here, another word.
You're so lucky because one time in my hardcore series, I almost died.
Bruh, the parrot on the floor. Oh no. Why is that zombie? Come on.
Oh, no. The only parrot that I had in my old hardcore series. Parrot.
Come on, parrot.
Should I get them both back? Like the blue patty and light blue parry.
Come on. What are you doing?
They're falling.
Come here, come here. Huh? Hello? Parrot. The parrot doesn't want to come.
Huh? Did your parrot bit you?
No. I just jumped down.
Oh, I thought the parrot bit you. That would be terrifying. Your own parrot killing you.
Move you.
No.
Bruh.
Oh, it's there, it's there. Let it be there. Did he die?
No, he didn't die.
Oh my god, you almost killed it. You are a monster.
Sit down now. Now where did he go? He's on my head. The parrot is actually away. Ow. Let me go sleep again before I blow up.
You're so lucky.
And what's my parrot? Hello? Parrot.
I think they're in their home.
Not the blue. The blue one.
Light blue? The patty color?
Yeah, what is that light blue?
I think it fall. Oh, there.
No, it's not this one. The other one.
I think you punched it and it died. Check in the chat.
They did not die.
What if it's the next floor?
Yeah. Parrot.
Do not fall. But you can risk your life and jump in the next tree. That tree.
That's not gonna work. I need to be full.
Yeah, that's not going to work. But one time we
It
tried
might
that.
work. It might work. I have hiccup.
He was really shorter the whole time.
He wasn't there for the whole time.
Oh, he came. Oh, you hurt him.
No, he's not.
I think feed him. Feed him. I think he's hungry.
I'm gonna fall.
Okay. Sprint and do. Sprint. No.
Oh, nah.
I think you hit. You punch.
No,
you
I fell on him.
Yeah, that means you kicked him.
No.
Like you
He does not
squashed him with his legs.
I didn't damage him one day.
Yeah, you cannot damage pet. Do you know the funny
I
thing
can.
about Minecraft?
I can give him a cookie and he'll die.
Should I?
Only if he's on my back. If he's on my neck, he'll not die. And why are you still here?
Give him a cookie.
They just killed you, man. Do you have any?
How do you?
Do you have any good traits?
Give him a potato? He might die. I heard mashed potatoes are bad for villagers.
Okay, so we have gunpowder.
What does this mean? You wanna die?
I'm keeping my
You're so lucky because you can have a seat and more pets. I don't have even one pet. I only have pigs.
At least you have a good
chicken.
house. I'm not even done my
You
house.
have a better because you have a staircase, 2 stories. My first story is not even completed. I have to put glass, the basement. I could not even make a border of the.
I'm burning.
I could not even get resources of the house.
Nice.
You are the better.
No, you finish it first.
No.
You
You're in the first episode.
then start
In
skipping.
the first episode, you completed 2 stories. But me, in the first episode was 1 hour and I just completed 1 floor. Yeah,
I need one more piece of sand.
I think you have to go next to the river. That island.
I'm not going to another island.
You know, it's so near.
Yeah, I got lost while doing that. I got stuck on another island.
Rather, up next. That thingy.
I don't want to hear it.
I think your parents missed you too much.
They are in heaven.
Huh?
Yeah, only 2 are left there. The rest are
Yeah,
in
the
heaven.
2 ones, when they died, the 2 ones like crying. Oh, my best friends are gone. Oh, I just have Patty and Daddy. Like that. And they did this.
Yo.
And wait, try that. Make them both. What if you can breed parents? But
No,
cookies.
no.
Give them both cookies.
Then they both will die.
Then a baby will come and give the baby a cookie. Then kill them. And then they can.
I need iron.
Then you eat a cookie. Then you
I
go to
need iron.
You're lucky because I only have one piece of glass plates.
I saw your house.
Okay, I have 5 stacks. I meant I have 1 stack of glass paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 stack.
Will you see? Can you see glass pane?
No.
There's a glass pane.
Yeah, there is. It's like...
There's one more. If you put a companion, rather like, how did there's a breaking thing here? Yep.
But this, I tried to use glass block, but it was so bad. Well, paints are cool.
I'm gonna have a glass roof.
Oh, the glass paint.
Just kidding.
Try put it. Let's
No!
It'll be very bad, right? Like holes. Jerry tried it in one of.
Who are you? You're a jelly piece.
You don't know Jerry with 22.
You think I don't know him, Mano?
You said you don't know. Slogan man.
You said him.
You don't know slug. You don't know slug. No craner, no liger, no bionic, no quiff, no kipli. For good.
Couple.
You know star. Who is it? You know Skepe?
It's you.
No, Skepe. That is Skepe with the golden face. I'm Skippy.
PP.
Yeah.
PP?
Here's Tata. Hey, do you know one time in one language, star is equal to what? Hey, what? One time in my old channel, somebody commented star with a question mark. When I translated Google, and then it said what? And I said, hey, what? Star. What? The language is
Stop
dumb.
yapping.
Stop licking.
Stop yapping. That's your name.
Yapping?
Yeah, you're yapping.
Stop what the fucking.
You're yapping.
You're
Stop yapping.
Stop killing.
You're curling.
So you don't know the meaning of kill.
You're curling. Stop. Could you go? This is my time to shine.
Your house is good. This is the house. That's not your house. That might be Paris.
Who is Barry?
My pet.
Paris.
You killed her. I'm updating to Mojang. There's a pet killer. It's called name is Star.
Hey, yo.
He was twinkle twinkle little star. He's in heaven. He's living in heaven. You are living in heaven.
Name of food.
You are a chicken biryani.
Dun.
When I roast somebody, I said can I tell you one?
I'm gonna place everything back and I'm gonna go down to get some deep sleep.
Can I ask you an English question?
What is what?
What is 1 plus 1?
Yo.
Huh?
YOLO.
Can I ask you one question? What is 1 plus 1?
YOLO. Yo.
The answer is 11. The English E plus L is ill. I mean, they both coincide when one
That makes
with
Elba.
another one equals to.
That makes Kippy. Pippy.
Then that makes star twinkle twinkle little star. I am little baby.
So you're a little baby?
Now you are a baby because
No, you said you're a little baby.
you are little baby. That means you.
No, that means you.
You know how many words are taught?
You're yapping.
I said the F word, H word, S word, F word with H word, and the H word is close to hacking.
Hacker.
Hacker. from Belunga.
Stop yapping. Stop
You
yapping.
know, George.
Okay, so I'm gonna make stick straight down. I'm gonna be taking straight down with the oak plank.
Wait, can you close your eyes?
Yay!
Okay.
I'm gonna be just making a stair. Should be sleeping. Oh. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. This is not. Let me sleep. Yes, finally. Does that take so? It's time to wake up. It's time to turn around and get the crafting table. Oh no, I need jungle trees. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 360. Oh. I did nothing. Just mining the jungle tree down. I need a lot of iron. Should I go down that way or to that cave? Suspicious. Suspicious. Let me finish my house. So much food I can use. Just 4. Yes, almost dead. And a bit of telephone. Why? Look at the. Oh no. Oh no. I know I used the wrong word. Why is it like that color? Huh? No, no. I thought this was oak and that's jungle and yeah. Okay, let's go. I don't need this torch yet. Use this pickaxe. forest sunset doesn't look like that. It looks cool. Nice forest. Yeah. Thing doesn't look that bad. Forest sunset. But how does forest like? Why does everything look so good at Polish? Come on, get some granite. It will be so polished. Depending on the sound. 32 of that and I need to buy 1, 2 and 3 of that. Then okay, now that I don't have a disgusting place. Because all the things like little seas don't get breaking. White eating the big potato. Alright, perfect. And yes, I have nothing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is not fish. Oh, hi. Good thing I did. One block. Just one block. How does this look? I'm going back up. Let me go back up. I'm into mining for so long. This is a waste. Making a stone pickaxe and going down. Down. Why did I do that? It's morning. Smelt it down. Slaps. And while that thing smelts, my old pick. You see How do you make that thing? What was its name again? Smith. Two. Bruh. Need another just. A double chest. No, my bow is gone. Where's my bow? I think I lost my bow. Perfect. To sleep. I'm gonna sleep here for this night. Then I'm gonna put my bed inside. Yeah, this is a good start. Just because I always make this house so cool. Respawn point set and jump off and jump down there so I don't take damage. There's a crater out there right there. There's so much stuff to do. Give me one piece of hay. One piece of hay. Acquired. So cobblestone. Now we are going to the cave. Good old cave. Where are you? I forgot where the cave was.
Right?
Oh, yeah. I'm going down.
Can you show me the time?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! You almost killed me.
Can you show me?
One minute. Miss. Okay. Sorry. It's 2 pieces of iron. And I thought I saw 1 piece of iron out here. Did I see it? Oh no. This is good. I died here once. Oh yeah. There's nothing.
Hey, Joe.
Brother.
Oh, I thought that was a purple monster. So scared.
I'm just trying to get up here.
Why the purple monster appearing? But not attacking. There.
What?
Oh, because of that purple dress.
Huh?
The purple dress was reflecting. I thought it was the purple monster.
What are you saying?
The purple dress right there next to that Manish. That
That. You're saying in the game, eh?
no. That close. I know. Yeah, I thought it reflected to the screen.
What is that?
I bet.
See it.
Oh. Oh no, please don't die. Did you kill the parrot?
No, it doesn't even parrot.
How many mods are there?
What are you? Oh my gosh. Where my tortoise? Oh, Dipsy.
I thought you fall. You're so lucky. I never went to a cave. Didn't I never went down?
And how do you get iron?
I just got it from the blacksmith.
Lucky.
Bruh, but you have diamonds.
No, I lost it. It was a diamond pickaxe and I
At least, I don't have a full. I died to the little fall damage. Then I lost my thing. The helmet and the chestplate was so low that the small damage broke them. Now I have to wear a leather chestplate.
find one.
You're lucky because you have full set of iron. I did from fall damage. Now I wear a leather tunic and a leather cap. At least I can dye them in orange.
Oh, diamond.
What's your favorite color?
Diamonds.
Which is your favorite?
I found diamonds.
What is your favorite color?
Find the diamond.
Oh, let's lava next week.
Okay.
Why are we little?
Because I know.
Oh, you're lucky ducky. I didn't get a single piece of diamond.
I think it's lava.
Oh, okay.
Bro, only two.
I'm so lucky I don't get one piece.
But I still need some more diamonds.
I think I look.
I'm gonna go down.
It might be under the lava.
Yes, obsidian. What is this?
But
Cave? A cave? Where does this thing lead to?
I think it leads to a dead end. Oh, straight to lava. Wait, this is the same cave.
Wait, I have a piece of granite here. This thing might be useful.
Bruh, I don't know.
Yes, the lava's gone.
Now we lost light.
At least I removed the lava. I will torch down.
Oh, do not swim there!
Donuts in there.
Do not.
I'll donuts in there. Where does this thing lead to? And where's the... I don't want to find the zombies, but yes, still. I'm just gonna go down. What is this? If I put torches, then I know where I'm going and... Come back. I need torches. But I need light. Where will I find... Oh my God.
Hey, you were lucky. I could not get it. I lost all my iron.
Huh? Where did I go? No, in my... Oh, okay.
Do you know I lost all my iron? I spent it on a bucket. Now it has cobblestone generator.
Bro, why do you need a cobblestone generator?
Now do you know how many stacks I have of cobblestone? The 8 stacks.
No, I forgot to bring... Oh.
I brought 7 stacks of cobblestone and 8 more 8
You know what?
obsidian.
Let me go. He ate obsidian.
Yeah.
How will he eat obsidian?
I 8 obsidian.
How will he do that?
I 8
Oh,
obsidian.
8. I thought you eat it. Eat it obsidian.
EGEIGHT.
Never again. And
I think keep the lava.
I need to go back home, get my pickaxe ready, work,
Why don't you need a stone pickaxe?
Put my diamonds back.
Gotta go. Can you move?
I actually
Gotta
need.
go pee.
Right.
It's urgent.
How do I get out of this game? Oh no. Why the lava pouring this way? I swear there's no lava here. Is this even the correct way? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna block this lava off. At least I can escape. There's something that way. I'm gonna go look. And up.
Hey, it's back.
I thought I saw something.
Okay, sleep. Okay.
Whenever. Wait.
What?
My torches.
Oh, do you call?
No.
Oh no. I think take the lava. Use the lava, Asher.
Wait. I came from here, right? Oh, torches.
Yeah, you actually came here.
I came from up here.
Purple fidget monster.
I came from up here. Then were the torches.
There
the torches
you
are
never
there.
put.
It's all the way there. Isn't that a torch?
Don't die. What is there? Lava.
Oh, it is lava.
You could have sunlight. I think you might be
Huh?
dead.
How did I even get you?
Bruh. That's
Where's my torches?
try going to the increasing the brightness of Minecraft. Try doing that.
Wait, let me. Where did I escaping from this thing?
Mine up and mine.
Wait,
up.
isn't that my torch? Yeah.
Huh? What do you mean? There's no torches.
Then what is glowing?
It is a lich thingy. The glow lich.
Now what way is exit?
Should I put that in my house?
I need shears to get it.
Yeah, I have shears.
Then go get it.
You can get it because you have shears.
I don't have shears.
You have to iron.
Yeah, but I'll get up.
Because then I will really ask you how is it glowing. One time you will
I
try.
should go and get my torch back.
One time you will try to meet me in my world, right?
Let me go get one of my torches at least.
One torch. Now take some torch, like 5.
Yeah, but where are my other torches going?
I don't know. You might lost them. Go back to the surface and continue house.
Yeah, I don't know where the first is.
You go through the path.
Yeah, this is the path where it ends.
Let's go back.
Okay.
Go back.
Have I? No.
Here, not. It's this way.
I have torches everywhere.
Yeah, the torches lead. You never know. Minecraft gave you see. The torches are one symbol.
And I meet here.
Hey, you know here. You remember?
This is where I was just stuck here.
Yeah, you were stuck here.
Yeah, that's why I went back. Then my torches had disappeared.
One bit happened like the bloody man, and he absorbs the light. What is the black gases here?
No. It's like one of them. Old. No, I'll just. I'm not gonna get any more. My pickaxe is always gonna break. I have no metal.
Oh no. You got saved somehow.
I should put torches under me.
Then you have to remove the. Oh no.
Exactly, some lava.
Mine like there. Yeah. Wait. Still. Yeah, mine there. It's a
Then
head.
that,
There's iron here.
let me see. Yeah,
Iron here. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh my god.
good thing I had that.
Oh. Can you get it? Oh, it's gone. Oh.
Good thing I have.
If you fall, you won't get that fall down because of the gravel. But you had no
I have
mind. Stuff. Cripples cannot tough you have. You are so lucky because you have 5 iron.
Bruh. My pickaxe is going to break.
My pickaxe broke.
My pickaxe breaks here.
You know, I had to have 5 pickaxes to finish my basement.
You know, look.
You're so lucky.
You know the problem here? If I get stuck here, I'm dead.
Use your
How do I
hand
get up?
or creative mode.
That's gonna take. No, I'm not gonna go to creative mode. It's gonna take years. My pickaxe is almost going to break.
I think try using your hand for some time. I think is that dirt?
Let's come up. There's no dirt here.
Well, if it's dirt, use your hand. I think dirt is nearby. The dirt?
What's my coordinates? 100 is. I think.
Nothing in. Show coordinate and the days played. I think I always use.
How many days have I?
22? I use 10 days.
I'm in minus 52? I'm 52 days out. I'm 52 blocks down.
Oh
No, I'm only like 11 days blocks up. Hey, that's not too bad.
Tell me how many. You only have to break 11 blocks.
Maybe.
You're so lucky to find a cave. I
11,
didn't
10,
find.
9, 8, 7.
I didn't find any cave. I made a little shaft. I tried to make a cave, but I died. Almost. I forced the villager to go
Oh, I
first.
thought it was a diamond.
I me too. What is that for trap?
Oh no, my pickaxe is going to break. I know it.
Then you have to
Look
use
at my
your
pickaxe.
fist. Then you have to use your fist. Oh, I found a stone. And we are close by.
Yeah. And the side. That's really close.
And it says means you're 5 blocks under.
5. Like.
Oh, break, don't break, don't break. Oh my gosh. I have
Stone, we hit stone.
we hit stone. Cool.
What if we are not even there where we are thinking?
What if we are
What if it's night time?
what if zombies just looking? What if zombies under us? Put a torch, you forgot. Oh,
Oh no, that's one more block. Cool.
oh cool. No. Oh. I think you're near dirt.
No, it's cold, so I had to use more deep slate. My precious deep slate.
No, you have to.
Brrr.
Now you have to use your fist. Oh.
Really? It takes so long. Let's skip slaps. I'm still stuck
No.
on the ground.
Now,
Okay,
Shall I
I might
guess
have
the
to
drink?
stop the video here now.
guess the drink.
It
Can
might.
guess the drink?
This thing might take too
Can you
long.
guess the drink? Guess the drink. Fan.
I made a hole here. A small hole. So I can just get up here. Put it up here.
It's still ours.
Okay guys, I'm sorry but I had to stop it here. Next episode I may get out.
Next episode of View will be out.
I hope so.
Oh,
So thanks for watching. Make
There's
sure
a
to
hole.
subscribe. Yeah, that hole's mine.
well, we will never see you later.
Bye. It's a cave.